Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, March 24th, and this is my recap of the top view videos from Friday. And on Friday, the pound US dollar came in number 2, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, in a ways, did have a pretty good push down. Now, there is a chance that this is an ABC, and if it really is an ABC, we are about to bounce out to 100%, and it could possibly just turn into a complete uptrend. I kind of think that is the most least likely the possibility. I think it's actually at 1, and yeah, it probably is going to go up a little bit for a 2, then hopefully back down for a wave 3. Either way, whether this is a wave 2 or whether it turns into a complete trend reversal, it's not going to matter to me, because I will be looking for longs at whether this is a wave 2 or whether it just continues the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I already got my fib retracement out here. Now I would try to trade a wave B or a wave 2. What I mean by that is if this goes up and breaks structure, then that's when I'm going to start looking for the first pullback. At the end of the first pullback, which we don't know at that point whether this is an ABC to the downtrend or it's a 1-2. So at the end of this wave B, I would definitely take a long. Then I would stay long until I see a Fibonacci bounce with a breaker structure to the downside, proving that it's a wave C. If that's the case, then I would get out of my long and go short for the continuation of the downtrend. In that case, this would be a 1, this would be a 2, and it would go back down for a wave 3. Now, while I'm long, if it just bounces out the fib, doesn't break structure, and keeps making higher highs, higher lows, I'll just stay long, and I'll know at that point I'm in a wave 3, and I'll just enjoy the profit. Whether it's a wave 3 or whether it's a wave C, it's not going to matter to me because I'll be learning and earning at the same time. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here in the corner. As always, thanks and happy trading.